My name is Kishan Raval. I am the Managing Director of Habesha Steel Mill PLC. First of all, I have to mention that it is the people and the culture of Ethiopia. They are amazing, and the people are very hospitable and welcoming. And this is very important to make Ethiopia your home. As an investor, you need to be living in a good country. Like any other country, there are differences between a population of over 100 million. However, what I admire is whenever there is an issue that is of national interest, something the people come together and consider the economy and the people as a country as the most important part. As an investor, this is giving me the confidence that over long term the future of the country is bright, and nation building will always be the priority. Actually, we had a very strong selection criteria from our family office for the investment, and we had a detailed and extensive research done in 12 countries between East, Central and West Africa. From this study, we have identified our best investment potential for long-term value creation was in Ethiopia. We had considered primary factors for selecting Ethiopia being the demographics, the macroeconomic policies and government policies. These convinced us that this is the best place for long-term value creation as a family. For any business to grow significantly, the country must also be growing. And we are extremely bullish on the future of Ethiopia, and therefore have heavily invested in Ethiopia to benefit from this. I have seen Ethiopia change. In the last 1.5 decades we have been here, we have seen this country change. To be honest, certain parts of the country and certain parts of the city we don't recognize anymore. They've completely changed to a new country. This is a sign of extreme growth and progress. This is not seen in most of the places that we visit to. In addition, that the opportunities coming up in the near future, the financial sector is opening up, the capital markets are opening up, the government has made the new 10-year plan. These all things are very positive, and any person I would be advising, we are actually investing here significantly, and we are investing even more. So I believe it is for any investor, there is a lot of potential in this country. For instance, agriculture. You know, there is a huge arable land available for investment. Agriculture, agro-processing has huge potential. As such, there is huge opportunities in this country to be had. Because we have invested and grown in this country, we have been rewarded, and therefore we believe we have to give back to society. We have done a lot of corporate social responsibility works. We have built 150 houses for the residents of the Dukam. We have given water for all the nearby villages. We give provide education. We cover their education in private school for a lot of the students of people who are living near our factory. During COVID, we were feeding 300 people who lost their jobs due to the coronavirus. And we also supported 15 million birr to the government to deal through this crisis, which was a global pandemic. So when we started the factory initially, we had 300 Ethiopians and about 10 expatriates. And over time, as of today, we have grown multifold. We have done at least 4 expansion projects and grown. And now we have 1,500 Ethiopians and 50 expatriates working with us. My name is Kishan Raval. I am the owner and managing director of Habesha Steel Mill in Ethiopia. And I would recommend everybody to strongly recommend anybody to invest in Ethiopia.